Are you looking for a way to bring opportunity and abundance into your life? Green Aventurine is called the Stone of Opportunity and is here to just do that. It is a powerful stone that helps remove emotional blockages and increase creativity, motivation, and enthusiasm so that you can embrace change with confidence. With its energies helping you to manifest opportunity, embrace change, and then take chances with courage, success will surely be on your horizon. Meditating with Green Aventurine can be incredibly beneficial for personal growth and development. Visualizing the energy of Green Aventurine as it cleanses your body and helps you to stay grounded, connected, and open to receiving divine guidance. As you meditate, be sure to set your intentions for abundance that you wish to manifest into your life. Use Green Aventurine in your affirmations and mantras to help support your intentions for abundance. Speak out loud or write down these affirmations to focus on success, wealth, and abundance that you desire in your life. Repeat these affirmations several times a day and carry this Green Aventurine with you to remind yourself of your intentions. Wearing a Green Aventurine pendant over the heart chakra allows it to stimulate compassion and promote a deeper sense of connection with others. It can also help clear energetic blockages and promote a healthier flow of energy throughout the body. It can also help stay focused and centered on your intentions. Wearing a Green Aventurine bracelet on your left wrist can aid in attracting abundance and promoting luck, while wearing it on the right wrist can help gain clarity and decision-making skills. You can place Green Aventurine in your home to attract wealth and abundance by placing it in the wealth corner of your home or office, which is located directly across from the main entrance and is where energy accumulates. Decorate it with the intention using green colors such as plants and statues or crystals to attract abundance in all forms into your life. You can also place Green Aventurine on your desk or at work to promote creativity, aid in decision making, and enhance leadership skills. You can also carry it with you during important meetings, negotiations, or other times when you need a little extra boost of confidence or clarity. To cleanse, Green Aventurine is a water-safe crystal, as we know from the Mohs hardness scale, as it grades at a 7. So you can hold a stone under running water to cleanse it, or you can use your preferred method of smoke cleansing, soil from the earth, sound cleansing, or placing it under the full moon.